Hi, today we're going to make a stress ball. So what you need is a balloon, some rice, a funnel and some pens if you would like to decorate it.
So to start off with, you're going to get your balloon and you might want to give it a bit of a stretch. You might want to blow a bit of air into it. It's entirely up to you how you want to do it. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to fill it up with rice. So just pop it onto the funnel and we'll just fill it up. So you want to put enough rice in it so that it feels nice and squishy, that when you feel a little bit stressed, you're going to be able to de-stress with the bowl. So if you feel like you've put a little bit too much rice in it, you can just take some out, give it a shake. Now you can see the balloon is nice and full. And then all we're going to do is just tie it off. Like so. And there you have a little stress ball. So you can keep these in your pocket if you're in kind of classes, whether you're at home, you can they're small enough to just keep in the palm of your hand and just kind of rotate it. Feel how the rice feels. The balloon itself, how does that feel? Think about those things instead of thinking and focusing on feeling stressed.
Hope you enjoy making your stress ball.